Hey, you guys. Next thing, solving two-step equations. All right. So here's where we get going as math ninjas. As a review, we are isolating where the variable is, discovering where it is, isolating it so we can solve for it. And then second step, what operations undo each other? We have to ask ourselves that question. And with two-step equations, I think it's good to undo your addition and subtraction first before going on to multiplication and division steps. So let's look at this example. We have the equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, so we've got a multi-step equation here. Do it one step at a time. Be methodical. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't lose track of your signs. To undo addition, a positive 5, we use subtraction, plus 5 minus 5. What we do to one side of the equation, the balance equation, we have to do to both sides. So I'm subtracting 5 from the left side of the equation, subtracting 5 from the right side of the equation. Okay, then we're going to rewrite this. So now we've got 3x plus 0 is equal to a negative 3. Okay, we're not done yet because we want to solve for a single x. We want to know what one x is. So right now, x is multiplied by 3. In order to undo multiplication, we divide. So we divide both sides by 3. And then we're going to get, I'm going to go ahead because I'm running out of room, write it over here. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that leaves us with 1x. Write the 1 if you want to. Negative 3 divided by 3 is also 1, but a negative divided by a positive is always going to be negative. So final answer, x is equal to a negative 1. And we could go back and plug that in here all the way at the beginning of our equation. This is always a good thing to do. And you can see if I did 3 times a negative 1, negative 3 plus 5 would be 2. 2 is equal to 2, so it checks out. All right, let's look at another example. Do one more. Okay, for this one, we've got 3y minus 8y is equal to 25. And here's what our work last week is coming in handy. We recognize like terms. 3y and 8y are like terms. We're subtracting. So first step is going to be to rewrite this as a negative 5y. There were more negatives than positives. Is equal to 25. Are we done? No, because I want to know the value of one positive y. I don't want to know what a negative y is, negative 5y. So in order to make it a positive y, do you guys know what it's going to be? Math Ninja, if you do. Negative 5 divided by a negative 5, negative divided by a negative is a positive, is going to get us what we need. And then, of course, we need to do it to both sides. So 25 divided by a negative 5. I'm going to come over here again. So negative 5 divided by a negative 5 is 1y. 25 divided by a negative 5 leaves us with a negative 5. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. Final answer, y is equal to a negative 5. And there we go. All right, you've got 3 problems to do in your journal. So you've got 4 and 4n is equal to 12. You've got 5x take away 1 is equal to a negative 6. And you've got a divided by 4 minus 5, 6 is equal to a negative 1/2. A little trickier there, right, with the fractions and such. Again, I recommend undoing addition and subtraction first. And this is good stuff. This is two-step equations. You got this.